YouTube experiments with automated video chapters. Facebook releases new fundraising tools and pledges to match donations for up to $7 million on Giving Tuesday. Snapchat releases a TikTok-like feature called Spotlight. All this news and much more coming up in this week's edition of the Connected Church News. I'm Nachi Lazarus. Welcome. This is the show that brings you the top 5 digital and social media news each week in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. Our first big news of this week is from Facebook. Last week, Facebook announced that they are launching a new initiative called Season of Giving, which will have new tools from Facebook and Instagram being released. And the initiative also included a pledge from Facebook to match donations for up to $7 million on Giving Tuesday. Facebook says that this is an initiative that they've come up with to help people all over the world and to support great causes. And as part of the new tools, now Facebook is releasing options for users to create and share non-profit fundraisers directly within their feed. Already, Facebook has features like stickers, fundraisers on Instagram Live, and so on. So now these are additional features that Facebook is working on, and importantly also matching donations on Giving Tuesday. Hey, I just wanted to take a minute to remind you to subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. Thank you for doing that. I'll see you in the next news item. Our next news is from YouTube. Last week, YouTube announced that they are experimenting with adding automated video chapters to the videos that are uploaded. If you've been following our news, you would know that we announced earlier this year that video chapters was a new feature from YouTube where you have the timestamps. Have you seen YouTube video where there are timestamps and you click on the timestamps in the description and the video will actually jump to that particular location. So that way you can choose which title or which topic subtitle within the video that you want to listen to. So you can just go to different portions of the video. Now they are trying to make that automated. I think it will be a big blessing to especially to nonprofits and ministries who have long videos, teaching videos, sermons, and other long form content, because then you don't have to sit and create those timestamps one by one. So the announcement says that they are using machine learning to recognize text in order to auto generate video chapters, and we are testing this out with a small group of videos. So hopefully this will be released by YouTube very soon. Our next news is from Snapchat. Last week, Snapchat announced the release of a new feature called Spotlight, which is very similar to TikTok and houses short-form video clips. Snapchat is majorly promoting this with a separate tab, and they're giving it a news feed. And on top of all this, they're also offering $1 million a day in funding and by choosing the best clip, best Spotlight clip. So it's very interesting to see how all the channels are adopting this short form video, stories, and all the features starting to look very, very similar across the platform. So it'll be very interesting to see how this evolves in the days to come. But as a nonprofit or ministry, if you are in a location where you don't have TikTok, because TikTok is banned in some locations, and if you still want to reach youngsters, Snapchat is also one of the top platforms to reach a certain demographic of users. So definitely you might want to check out if you minister to younger people in certain locations where there is no TikTok. Check it out. Our next news is about Twitter. Last week, Twitter announced that they are planning to reopen verification. Twitter account verification is something that's important considering that Twitter is a public platform. But a while ago, they shut down that verification process, and now they are planning to relaunch it. And importantly, they are asking for your participation. They have opened the participation or feedback to the public and saying that please give us feedback about the verification process. So you can basically go through the draft and give feedback to Twitter, and Twitter will hopefully launch the account verification process in 2021 based on the feedback they receive. I recommend you check it out because it's important to participate in these things as nonprofits, churches, and faith-based organizations so that we can influence the social media direction in some form. And it's nice of Twitter to open up this feedback process so that we can all participate in it. I will link to the feedback form in the show notes. Do check it out. Our final news of this week is from Adobe, and it is about a trend report that they have released on 2020 shopping. Actually, this is a real-time trend report. The reason I wanted to bring this to your notice is it gives out interesting statistics and insights into consumer behavior, and this could be important insights that helps us understand the way our audience behave in the online world, and therefore we can tweak our strategies, digital strategies that we use to minister to them, to reach out to them, to serve them, and to help them as a non-profit or a ministry. The report also says that this Black Friday that went by was the second largest online Black Friday in the history of US. So in one day there were $9 billion of sale that came in online. So it's very interesting to see how people are shifting their patterns and their behavior, and this is a real-time tracking from retailers. So Adobe was doing a real-time tracking. So do check out this report and see if you can get some glimpses and insights from the report that could be useful for your ministry. If you like to continue learning about digital and social media, then I highly recommend you check out this playlist that has answers to some of the key digital and social media questions that nonprofit churches and ministries have asked us. So we've got experts from different parts of the world coming and answering these questions. Do check it out.